Get in there, Parker. Parker! Hey now, is it a hot day? Come. Lay down. Good girl. What you figuring out, Annie? Stay. What you figuring out, Annie? What's he say? Your grass feels neat? Good girl now. Annie's just loving the feel of the grass there on her belly. So, laid out. Good girl. Good girl now. Stay. Stay. Good girl. Now Parker's doing it, laying down, stretched out. They like to feel the cool grass on their belly. Oh, he's here. Hello, baby. Oh, there comes Parker. Lay down. Good girl. Ooh, Parker. There's Annie walking. I think that's Ben's pup over there. Oh, Parker. Noisy thing. Lay down. You can hear the slooping even. You in heaven, Parker. Cool your belly off. Huh? This is the little girl. Parker's just right stretched out in the cool grass. Well, come on over, Parker. Look at Mom. Lie down. Big Brody's pup is underneath it. No, that's Parker. And this is Ben's pup. The Brody's must be right underneath here. No. Lie down. Good girl. Come. Lie down. There's Annie going off to the left. There, I think this is Brody's pup here, I think. Either that one or that one is Brody's pup. And this one on the with the big thing, big collar, I think is Ben's pup. This is the one I think that's still available. I have to have my pictures to make sure I got the right people and the right name. No! No! Come on back, Annie! 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 This is, hey, the lunch dish is in here. Now, leave it. Annie says, hey, what happened to supper? Now! here. He says, I don't want to feed those darn brats. As soon as I lay down, they suck. Lay down. Good girl. Annie, come on back out. Lay down. Yeah, I think we're going to go back in now because the mosquitoes are starting to take my ankles off.